Hi, I'm Saki, and today I'm going to show you how to put snaps onto gloves. So these are my motorcycle gloves, and they came with Velcro, and this Velcro is useless. It is not sticky anymore. So I decided to put a metal button on it so that it stays on my hand when I ride. Okay, so what you're going to need is one of these snap kits. And usually they come with snap setters that look like this. And they also usually come with a punch like this. You'll also need an anvil, which usually comes with the snap set kit. And the last thing you will need is a mallet. Do not use a hammer because if you hit metal on metal, bad things happen. Okay, so first thing, let's just get this out of the way because it already has a snap. I'm going to show you how to do the left glove. Well, I'm going to show you two methods of doing it. So this is method number one. If you happen to have a leather punch that looks like this, which is a specialty item, and I would not expect people to have this, but I'm going to show you in case you do have it. So this is what you would do. You would put the glove on and put it to the tightness that you'd like. Right, the Velcro kind of sort of barely stays there. And then what you would do is take your punch, make sure it's set to the right size for these snaps. So you would take that. Oh, you can see the Velcro's already coming off. Stay down. Okay. And you would just punch through. You just punch through all layers. So I'm going inside the glove. I'm punching through both the flap and the cuff. But I'm assuming that not many people have this tool, so I'm going to show you another way. So, for the alternate method, start with the glove off. We're going to just install the top half of the snap onto the flap. So, let's get out some of this hardware. They come with instructions. I threw mine away, but they come with instructions. Please read them. They do fit together a certain way. Alright, so here's the top half of my button. First thing I'm going to do is mark where this is going to go. So find a spot that looks good, something visually pleasing, like there, and push kind of hard, and that will mark the leather. If your gloves are not leather, you can use a Sharpie or something. Okay, and then we're going to take the punch that it comes with and punch a hole using the mallet. So line that up, and I'll have to remove that from the audio later. Okay, I'm just gonna punch it again because it did not go through. I have punched the hole all the way through. I'm gonna install this here, and you're gonna want. So make sure you install this the right side up, the correct side up. So it looks like it goes on this way, but read the instructions on your snap kit and make sure you're installing it in the correct direction. So that goes over there. And then we're going to use the pointy setting tool it's going to fit inside there and flatten, it's going to flatten this little pokey thing. And that's what's going to keep these two pieces together. So place that on the anvil, place the setter inside the hole, and hit it. Okay. So I don't know if that camera will even show it, but it's on there. It's stuck. It is set. Okay, so now put the glove on. And then you're gonna close it to the tightness that you like, and then mark on the cuff where the button is going to line up to. Okay, so I was gonna use a Sharpie on this, but this glove is black and Sharpies are black, and so I won't see it. Also, I'm gonna have to mark on the Velcro, so Sharpie is not really gonna work for that either. So I'm gonna use a pin. So right underneath that button, I'm gonna poke the pin to mark where the button is going to line up with. So I didn't actually poke into the Velcro because then I would just stab myself. So I slipped it into the cuff, and the tip of that pin is where I want the button to line up. So I'm going to take this off now. The next step is to use that same punch and punch a hole in the marked location. This next step is very important. When you punch the hole, make sure you're not punching through the back of your glove also. Okay, just to be clear, let me show that again. I'm going to punch a hole here. I'm going to move this back layer out of the way. I'm going to fold it up. All right, so all right, now I am going to get the bottom half of the snap. So be careful with these because they look really similar. Just when in doubt, you can just put them together and see if they fit. They only fit together one way, so that is the correct way. The taller one is going to come up from the bottom. Also at this point, double check that it's going on in the correct direction because they're really hard to remove once you install them. So this one is going to come up through here so that it's going to snap this way. Do not install it face down. This is wrong. Okay. So install the longer one up first, and the second one goes on top like so, and then I'm going to put it on the anvil again, and then we're going to use the second tool. So this one has a little hole in it. That's going to go over this nipple, like so. And then you hammer this one. All right, and that's it. So now it is installed, and you have a snap. All right, ta-da, that's it. Now my gloves will not fall off when I ride. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. For more tutorials like this and other tutorials not like this, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.